Hey, this is Jack again at Car Credit Nation. Welcome back. Ow.
Damn it. You okay? Did you hurt your ankle? Huh? Or your elbow? Was it your elbow or ankle? Need help? Was it your elbow?
Yeah.
Knew we should have shut that door, dude. You think you hurt it bad, or? Help you up? Watch your head. Time out, I guess. I knew it wasn't a good idea, dude.
What?
I knew that wasn't a good idea, man.
Where'd I come from?